For the last 30 years, Thisted municipality has extensively used and invested in renewable energy resources.
The surprise is, why isn't everyone else doing what Thisted's doing? They're a lighthouse, but this should be going on right now all over the world.
What we see in Teesdal is a blueprint for adapting to climate change. It shows that people and communities really count.
Vi er Danmarks førende klimakommune. Vi har mere end 100% produktion af vedvarende energi på strømsiden, og vi har 85% på varmesiden. Så vi ligger helt i front.
When it comes to electricity production, today Thisted municipality is 100% self-sufficient. Heating too is also green. Close to 85% of its production comes from a mix of renewable energy sources.
Her i Thisted der har vi, hvad vi selv synes er en unik installation, som består af kombinationen med affaldsforbrænding, geotermisk varme og nu som det sidste led også halmfyringsanlæg. Det betyder, at vi ikke bruger fossile brændsler, eller næsten ikke bruger fossile brændsler. Vi bruger under 1% om året. Forbrugerne i det her værk, de har en varmeregning, som kun er cirka en tredjedel af, hvad den ville være, hvis man fyrer med olie.
Now, what Thisted and other communities are doing is say, wait a minute, we have energy in our backyard. There's enough distributed energy in every backyard for their needs. We have sun. Everyone has it. We all have wind. We have garbage. In the rural areas, we have agricultural and forestry waste. In the coastal areas, we have the ocean tides and waves. Under the ground, heat, thermal, hydro. We've got it all, it's distributed. So what Thisted and other communities are saying is, why not just use what we got? So we are producing our own power. It's called Power to the People. It's a lighthouse, but we want to go from pilots to the entire grid being like Thisted. So instead of this just being a good example, this should just be the beginning of laying out similar plans in every community across the Northern Hemisphere and the Southern Hemisphere. Power to the people.
Every region in the world can do what Teesdal has done, finding their own local solutions. And it clearly shows that we can all choose to make a difference.